How to open snaps on Snapchat web. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Chrome browser, and on the Chrome browser just search for Snapchat web. Now tap on that and tap on the very first option that pops up. Now it will lead you to the web of Snapchat. Wait for a while. Now it will look something like this, so make sure that you enable the notifications, and it will look something like this. So make sure that you have logged into your account for Snapchat application. Then here, to see the snaps, you can see in the left side of the screen, you can see your chats, and you can see, tap on the chats and see your snaps over here. Just tap on the chats and you can see your snaps. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.